Hello guys, welcome back with our new video. In this video, I am going to tell you how to fix a Facebook not opening. So guys, if you want to open your Facebook and Facebook app is not opening like this. So guys, here you can see I am opening this app, and guys you can see here my app is not opening and automatically off cancel this app from my phone. So guys, how can you fix this problem? So guys, easily you can fix this problem. So let's start without wasting any time. So guys, first of all, you need to open your settings and click on Wi-Fi and make sure that your Wi-Fi is proper connected with your phone. So guys, if not connected, then you need to open your mobile data. And guys, if your Wi-Fi is already connected, then you need to click on Wi-Fi, click on forget. And guys, after doing this, you need to connect it again with your phone. And guys, the second method is you need to scroll down and find here app management, click on app management, click on app list. And guys, after this here you need to find Facebook. So guys, here you can see you need to click on Facebook, and guys, after this you need to click on storage and cache and simply click on clear cache. And after doing this, the third method is you need to update your Facebook. So guys, how can you update? Simply you can update, you need to open your Play Store, and guys, here you need to search Facebook and click on Facebook, and guys, you will find the option of update. So guys, I have already updated my app, therefore I have not the option of update. So guys, if you have not updated your app, then you need to update from here. And guys, after doing this method, your problem will be fixed. So guys, if still not open your Facebook, then guys, you need to open your settings, scroll down, click on system, click on reset phone, click on reset Wi-Fi settings, and first of all you need to select same one, click on reset, and select same two, click on reset. And after doing reset network setting of both SIMs and Wi-Fi resetting, then your problem will be fixed. So guys, if still not fixed, then guys, simply you need to uninstall your Facebook app. So guys, click on uninstall, and guys, after uninstalling your app, then guys, you need to install it again from Play Store. So guys, hope you like this video. If you like this video, please do subscribe, comment and share. Thank you.